And I guess we're live. So, welcome back, everyone. Today, I will be continuing the feature improvement for the Auto Subtitle Generator, which is this project. I can increase the size here so that you can see a bit better. I think this is. Yeah. Mm. Yesterday, I did. Where am I? I did a few things for the color selection and color selection, font selection, not exactly font selection, but rather font size and the position of the text on the screen. We fixed those and added those features there. Then I've noticed there are some what do you call that? The audio synchronization issue, which is not there in the original, which I would want to see with, I think this was the original. Let's see. Yeah, in here, as you can see that there is no audio synchronization issue, but now we are getting some audio synchronization issues. Uh, I I have actually confused about how to check previous commits. Let's see if I can find some commit in here. There are merges. Is there any all branches? Mine, the video resolution branch, active. Hmm. This should be the main, but I need to check where are the all of the commits. Browse files. Let's see. Comes back to here. Huh? How to pre yes commits in GitHub. On the GitHub web interface, go to repository and the commits link. I do not see a commits link. There are actions. There's no releases. There's no packages, contributors. Good. Ah, I found some commits. Uh, this was about 2 weeks ago. Browse through. Yeah. And if I go to the main file where we'll find a lot of gibberish code in here, which I have changed. But what I am interested in is the Yeah, there's the extract audio and the extract frames things where we have the end frames and stuff like that. And in the create video, we've got the set audio, which has changed, audio file clip, and image sequence. FPS is the self.fps. Self.fps, let's select this part. And I think the self.fps is actually in here. No. It is the same though. It's this FPS is not matching for some reason. With the FPS issue or not? Not sure. Hmm. So I came here to check if I did change some FPS in my recent like change calculation of the FPS in my recent changes, but I did not. So it actually confuses me. Where did I actually change it? Now, is there any way to like how to compare to diff from diff of a file between two commits? Hashes or tags. The commits, copy the hash, use the compare URL. Owner repo compare old and new. Okay. It's a bit difficult, but can be done. Copy. What uh let's see now. There's nothing to copy. Let's copy this link, paste it here, and oh, shoot. This is difficult, but I can do it. So here I'm just trying to see difference between two commits, and this is what GitHub is saying. So the owner repo is here. Then we go to compare, not oops, not here. So you go to commits, not commits, but compare. And then there's a slash old commit dot new commit. Copy that, click on the commit links to see the commits history. Copy the commit of the two commits you want to compare in the parallel bar. Div file hash. Replace owner commit. All commit new with the details to focus on the specific file. After the div loads, let's go find an example. Commit 1, commit 2. Yeah. So this is the most recent. So let's copy the full commit. Yeah, let's copy this full commit. And let's paste it in here. And then there's like 2 dots. And also the one that I want to see is on 24. Proposal. Maybe this one. Paste it in here. I think that's it. That's the entire file. Cool. So here I am adding a few videos saved at output, and I am deleting video output video path. Test videos and stuff. README, I don't care about README. The UI, which okay, let's just search GPT and let's see this. I am using video pi to create a video an image sequence. To let's be more explicit, to edit. I'm using Pi to edit a video first. I extracted all the frames on the video and separated the audio. And I made some edits to the frames of the video. Then I pieced together all the frames, all the edited frames of the video using image sequence to create the final edited video, and also the extracted audio to the final video. Is this the right way of doing this? Let's see. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Re-encoding them is a slow and produces huge temporary files, especially for long videos. Compression loss. If you save intermediate frames as compressed image JPEG, you lose quality, of course. Okay. Sync issues, the frame rate and number of this audio may drift. unless carefully handled. Yes, this is what I am actually facing. More efficient alternatives. Few can be extracted, transformation, crop size, text overlays, you don't need to extract manually. So, okay. You can write a function that use clip.fl your function and move it applies your function to each frame on the fly, avoiding intermediate storage. Interesting. I don't know that. New things to learn every day, eh? So this is the frame, and I return the frame. Hmm. But I have an SRT file. If you're doing heavy frame edits with OpenSea, can be extracted by store them in a lossless format like PNG or directly modify the inter memory of time. Okay. I did not know this was possible. Clip, edit clip. Hmm. Okay, so let me ask it like to be more explicit. So I have an SRT file which I want to add the subtitles in the correct frames according to the time time stamps of the SRT file. And this I'm adding I'm using let's see, I'm using the put text method of pv2 to place the subtitles. Hmm. Can this be done without frame extraction? Well, if so, how? Hmm. To overlay text at specific times, you can parse your SRT file, then use the text clip, set start duration to position subtitles. Well, looks like I really don't have to do any type of coding, eh? So PySRT is a package, and there is a sub clips for subs and subs. Oh, there's a background colors. Oh my god. Really? Set start dot ordinal 100 and set duration, set position. Sub clips to append text. Composite video. Get the video. Right timestamps. Is image magic or pillow under the hood may be slow for very long videos. t for the time t in seconds. Hmm. Uh, mhm. There is the auto wrap as well. Can the auto wrap be done in the MoviePy way? Also show me the OpenCV way for auto wrap and explain the set start slash set duration of text clip. 3 points 1 by 1. Okay, so but you can force wrapping it by giving a size width. If the text exceeds the movie will break the line automatically. Am I doing? I am actually improving the features of my project, which is the auto subtitle generator for shorts. No, I'll not add you on Discord. When you read a text clip, it's just static image like a PNG to make it to make it behave like a subtitle. You tell MoviePy when it should appear and how long. When the clip starts showing in seconds, um, that doesn't make too much sense because let's go back to this part where I have the subtitles open and we've got the sub.text, sub.start, sub.duration. Okay, cool. Cool, okay. So let's see the method caption enables wrapping. Is the width limit. Leave height 3. 100 video dot. Okay. Automatically, but you can force wrapping by giving it a size. Okay, cool. Size. Auto wrap text with CV2. I like the auto wrap, the MoviePy method. That way, I don't need to use OpenCV. That actually moves me out of my comfort zone because I'm used to using OpenCV. But yeah, if it is going to be best part. Let's see. Uh, improved sub, which is good. Changing the directories. Okay, let's go to the top. This is the, no, go to the top and let's go here, but interesting. Let's go back. Oops. I am in AutoSub. That is stupid. And it is not resolved. Why not? Video file clip, text clip. Is it not? Let me see. Let me open an RNT and let's go here. Let's go here and let's delete everything. And by editor, something like this, but it is not resolved, which is actually go back here. It's in the base, so virtual ENV auto sub. Let's go back to here, which brings me to this one. So it's IP auto sub is ready. Let's try to run this. Failed. There's no movie editor. Why not? So Dean, okay, that's not what I wanted. Let's go to word, Dean word, and also this. Right. Let's go VIP and run this, and this is done. It's actually done. So very odd. Audio file clip and text clip and composite video clip VIP are to run, and it's running. So it's not actually editor, rather the image sequences and the text clip are the ones that I need. So let's go here. Let's copy, delete this. Let's go to the end and paste it. And I need a comma here. And, F and delete it till this part. Yep. Cool. Cool. It's not access. I don't care about it now. Let's just save this. And okay. Well, in a matter of time, it's 6 viewers. Hello, viewers. How are you doing today? Pi SRT is another import that I need. Pi SRT could not be resolved. That's not a problem. Let's go here and the correct environment. Let's say pip install Pi SRT. It's done, and also to add it into the requirements.txt. Let's go down Pi SRT. Is this correct, or did I make a mistake? I did not. Save and quit. Cool. Cool, 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 cool. So there's a sub part. So now what I need to do is actually have mm, do this shit, this part uh, correctly in my uh, main.py. That's what I'm trying to do. So let's copy this entire part. No, I do not have to. Do I? Okay, let's go through the code so that the viewers, can be a bit more familiar, and I can also uh, see where to make the necessary changes. So from the video transcriber class, I am getting the video path, which of course it's needed. The, you know what, let's just try to run it. Let's see what I'm talking about. So this is the one. Hmm. So we've got the video path, which should be sent by the browse model. Sorry, the browse, the file, yes. Then there's the text color, the text size, the text font are all captured by this constructor. Then there's the audio path, which it's the ChatGPT suggested that I don't need, which is good. I don't need it. The text array, again, I don't need it. The transcriber, that would be the text array. So I do not have an SRT file. Oops. So this is the SRT file that I have, but where did I produce it? I don't remember. I think here is where I've produced the SRT file. So detecting the silence offset, and then there's the text array where you have the segment start and the end. And then so the changes that I have to make is that when I have the silence offset as well as the video transcribing results, I need to convert it into a SRT file. Yeah, I need to convert it into an SRT file, which would actually help me. Do I need the SRT file again? Because here it says that pi. Okay, let's go. Let's just change it. So I have decided to use MoviePy, and I am extracting the titles from the video using Whisper. So do I need to create an SRT? I'm sure I don't have to. I'm just asking SRT file to use PySRT. Or does the result of the whisper can be whisper model can be used to process? Oh, you don't need to save an SRD file. Yeah, it depends on how you want to integrate subtitles. Cool. You can call. I don't want to call the whisper CLI. If you just use the run, okay, there is the Python dictionary with segments like this. Hmm. That's what I want. The segments, right? Uh, directly. So the result is transcribe the video. That's the model. That's fine. Right. So I don't need to use the text. You can skip the PySide entirely. So it's segments to build the text. Okay. So the set start is segment dot start. Let's copy this part. Subclips. Subclips. Hey man, Benum Trice. Not sure how to pronounce your name. That's just the results of segments, which is forming. Hmm. You know what? Just have this, and let's go 7J and oh, sorry, this is not and also just have it again. Cool, and this, right, right. So this is the new part which I have added. Of course, it's not correct. It looks too hard. Let's see how to fix this. With the subclips, which should be in the text array. Subclips to depend. This I did not do this part. So. Okay, cool. And for some reason the text has gone because I pressed X. Cool, cool. Okay, let's go through this correctly step by step. Okay. Uh, Firstly, we've got the subclips, and we got these segments and the results of segments and segs. So seg from the result of segments. That's cool. And I've got the text clip object. The class being defined has an object here, and seg.text. That's specific text. Let's see the yeah. This is what we are getting. The start and end, which we want. We have the font size. You know what? Should have something with font size. How do I go there? It's GR and go to declaration, something like that. Yeah. And parameters, text to right. There's a font size. There is size. Oops. I need to configure this in neovim so that I go two down or two up. There's a color, background color. Yeah, everything's here. So I don't know why the LSP is not actually getting this. Okay, let's change a few things. Delete in the word, and then I will go to the text size, of course, and the color is white, really? Let's go back again. Definition, let's search for color. Default black and can be an RGB or RGBA transparent true tuple color name or hexadecimal notation. Oh, so I don't need to, so it can be a hexadecimal as well. Let's go back. So changing double quotes, something like this rather. Text color, right? The font. Text font. How do I? It, okay, that's a capital C removes the entire word. That's new. Method is captions and the size. Right. Video width. The video is not defined. Of course, the video is not defined. Uh, video is here. The video is not actually used. But I need to get the width of the video, right? I need to get the width of the video. You know what? I am going to do something here. The width of the video, right? So let's just try to do, no, it will not be 0, it's rather p, the video file clip, the video path. Okay, now this is the correct one. And then in 21 here, let's find this one rather than Day Silva. Hi. What is the neovim? Neovim is the editor that I'm using at the moment. This editor that you see is it's neovim. It's a terminal-based editor. Okay. The verb should be cell dot with minus 100 and none. That's fine. Parameter font is already assigned to what? No parameter names. Fine. I don't get this LSV notations. So you got the start, the end, the yeah, right. So text arrays. No, it's what we want, not the. Let's go to the beginning. Delete this. Interesting. Find R again. R. Go to we delete this and TQTM self text array description. Yes. With start and then the text, right? Yeah. This is the audio clips. The subtitle clips in here. This is let's go to the first and just cut this off and also cut this off. I don't need this. I've got the text clips. Let's go back here, change in a word, and we will go sub text, all that. And let's go to 31J and nope. Self dot subtext, subtext with subclips. Something like that. Oops, oops, oops. I think that's it. I think that's it. Oh yeah. Here I need to change this to text array. And text array, there's no text array now. Okay, delete this. That will give us the text clips, right? Okay, let's see which are the ones that I want. Firstly, it is this one, which should be commented out. I don't need this. I don't need to extract audio. I don't need to extract frames even. All this are not needed. This is very, I don't know. I have already done this to do. This timeline should go off. The wrap text, again, don't need it. The multi-text line, don't need it. My God, there's so many things that I don't need. And finally, we've got the create video. Again, okay. we might need to create video, of course, but there's a different way to create video as suggested by ChatGPT here. This is the way to create the video, and that's it. That's totally it. There's this output video path and subtitle. Uh, detect silence offset. So let's go to 70J. I need to go below this. Right. I I need I don't need the audio path. Rather, I need a there's no subtitle color. Subtitles. Titles. That's it. Let's go to 54 and let's also don't need it. Don't need this. Right. Position of the text clip. Mhm. Let's see what GPT suggests. Creating video with subtitles is the print function. If please transcribe video first, that's cool. And this is the video clip. Subtitle is a compound clip for right. If audio is available. Subtitle clip is set audio. What? That's stupid anyway. Codec and everything. Yeah, I don't need this. This is the right video file and just at the end, just with audio equals true. I mean, is it that hard? Yeah, that's that. And there are specific things that I did not use. For example, the y-axis. Let's. I'm not sure. Can I position the y y how to change the y position of the subtitles? Text dot position bottom center. Let's see, text dot position bottom center. Use pixel coordinate text dot position. Right, video dot h. Okay. 22k. 22j. 3j. Self dot height. Yep, cool. This is not how we do things. Self dot video equals to, yeah, and here. Whoa. Word, yeah. Self.video. Yeah. And then change in Word, self.video. This is how it should be. This is calling the it's not creating 3 more classes rather than creating just 1 class and then using the class. That's that. And I don't need, as I already have the video. So let's fix something here as well. So right. If we have the output video path, if we have the output video path, then we will have we have the output video path. If the output video path is there, then we use the output video path. That's it. If it's not, we'll use the self that video where it was created, right? So if let's see, the hell did I just do? Just copy this, open up this register, make the output video an optional parameter, and if there is a video path, then use the video path, and if not, then use the uh, use self.video. I'm doing this so that I can use this method like separately. Let's see what it did. Right is none, subtitle equals to none. Right. No. Just self.video. So if right, well, it's well, no, I don't. I need to change a bit here. Let's say video equals delete till the end. Like this. If not output video else. Right, this is what I wanted. And then wait. View path is not defined. The view path. video clip. Like this. Yep. Video path is let's go with self dot video path. That will be the initial video path that is given, but it does not. I'll fix that down the line. It's just creating the video, and I think I also have the set position around here, center bottom, but rather than being center bottom, it's just self dot height minus 50 self dot y-axis. Yes, that's that is the way I wanted it to work. Because in here, right, minus 10, right, cool. So okay, 200 JK. Cool. I just destroyed the entirety of the old code. As you can see here, everything is commented out. And put some new code, and I'm not sure if this is going to work. What I am using is the video path, the text color, the text size, the text font, the y-axis as well. Right, and the width. There's background color as well. Like I will be able to use background color. Let me just quickly cancel this part, and let's see if let's meet with some new errors. It started because it's first goes into the GUI and does not come GUI file and does not come yet onto the main file. This is also not coming to the main file yet. Just putting down the video, selecting the model, selecting Arial, the font size. Let's deal with 500, and let's also choose a color. Let's choose it blue so that we can know if it's working. And there is the first error. That's cool. So it's in GUI. The video transcriber has no object. It's extract audio, of course, because we did not change it to have extract audio. Wildcard import not allowed. Let's go around 60J, and why was it? Right. Right. So let's just do this part and delete to the end. Right. I don't need the output video bad, do I? Because if I do this, will there be a problem? That's what I'm trying to understand. Let's see. Let's see. Browse. Open this up. Things good. Increase the position. Choose a color. Bluish. Process. Multiple arguments for the font, and we've got our first error from the main file. So it's on line 46. Let's go to line 46, and there are multiple values for the right. Uh, isn't that a tuple as far as I know? It's being used. The color here is the color, the text.color, which is, let's see, 7 color, text color, color, color. Yeah, that's the color button. Ask color. Okay, yeah. Ask color, yeah. Let's see. Yeah, this is the hex that I was, yeah, it's sending tuples. Mm-hmm. Just VI word. VI word. Paste this to hex color. This is not being used, so this goes into comment mode, and that's it. Multiple values for the argument font. Okay, I think I'm doing something wrong in here, where I am using, oh, the color is fine, but the font is what we're getting. The color was fine. I had to change it from the hex value anyway, so the font, okay, sorry. The font is, I'm dumb. I'm just dumb. Okay, let's go to the font. Okay, so let's see. The font is, it says that Arial. Isn't it what we are supposed to get? Uh, let's see. Yeah, that's what we're getting, right? Two values from the font dot get is what we get here. See, go to session here, text font is the text font here exactly. I don't see any problem. Let's say Z and fix code issues. Let's see. Parameter usage confusion. The parameter named output video path. The code uses the input video path. But let's see. What do you mean the parameter font is already assigned? This doesn't make sense at all. And here it says that multiple values for the argument font text clip. That's exactly the same thing. It's just copied from the upper part to the lower part. That multiple, what was it? Multiple values for let's see. Mm. Explicitly point font. I'm not sure where the font is. Uh, Is it really there? Let's, yeah, yeah. Define the font. Let's find fonts here. Let's go to system. Is it like this? System library fonts. Let's see. Okay. Do I have Arial or something? TTF. think- Oh, I have Arial TTC. Interesting. I've got a lot of fonts. Mm. It says that remove the font. We should pick the default. Let's do that then. Let's me say I'll not remove it. Rather, I'll just comment this out, and at the end, I will. But if you have specific font files, add specific font files. Font file path here. Let's give it like this, and let's save it. Let's just yeah, Python GUI. Yeah. Cool. Now it should work. It should work now. It's like this. Let's say 500. Go down here. I just want it to work. Unexpected argument font size, of course. There's an unexpected argument called font size. No parameters named font size. Which I want to do is to see definition font underscore size can be auto set it method equals to font size. Let's go here then. It should be font underscore size. Let's go again, run it. Maybe this is the final time. The 50, choose color to be blue, and process. Error, error, error. Cool. Invalid font, so that the test video subtitle generator fails because the error cannot open resources. Where did I give font? Cannot open resources. It is on image font, movie clip. Right. Text clip. That's what I have to do then. Now there's a lot of fonts. Let me say PWD. Let's put this copy and then I don't know, let's just do go here, uncomment this. Come on, uncomment this, and the self.font that's on 38K. No, just P, delete this, there's a double, so just do this, go to end, and changing a word. Uh, this library on, and let's say I'm picking this guy, right? The font is a very problematic thing. Let's go here. Multiple argument. Font size, color, font adjust path, library fonts. I did, right? Select the default. Their method label. Hi, Papa. Want entire font path. So if I do this, forgot the problem that I was facing. The problem was of font size. So just copy this, paste this. Okay. Invalid font. So this is test video and subtitle. Okay, how do I notice subtitle text? So this is a noticed. Font must be the full path. The path is wrong. Well, this is an error for another day. Not giving. For using the font caption, the pillow, manually give the font. If I give the font, if I manually the font, then multiple argument, where was it showing? It's stupid. That's stupid. I had to use this, but later. So yeah, that's it for today. I've improved, but I don't know what I have improved. This seems to have a lot of problems, but it is a bit more simpler solution that I have. So once I like can solve this font issues of MoviePy, maybe using different like not the AI, but rather reading the MoviePy documentation, I'll let you know. But that's it for today, and I'll hope to see you in the next week. Peace out.